Yes, wait for a moment. Yes. So yes, what I told you that this farmer portal is one-stop shop for all the farmers for accessing the information on agriculture activities. So which type of activities and information related to activities that a farmer can get from this portal, please write down. A farmer can get information about
Sir, please repeat. Network issue was there from a farmer.
yes, farmers can get information about the package of practices, the package of practices, give a dash, a package of practices, give a dash, crop, crop, comma, seed varieties, seed varieties, comma, common pests, pest means heat, okay, insects. So common pests, comma, dealer network for seeds, dealer network for seeds, comma, fertilizers, fertilizers, comma, pesticides, pesticides, comma, machinery and tools, machinery and tools, comma, agriculture related advisories, agricultural related advisories, etc. Full stop. So this is about farmers portal, right? Okay, guys. Now give a heading: Soil Health Card Portal. Soil Health Card Portal. Okay, so this is a dedicated portal for checking the quality of soil and the suitability of crop in the particular soil, because soil in different areas of India have different types, right? So to assist farmer and to tell the quality of their soils and the suitable crop, right? So the government of India prepared a portal dedicated to the soil health, and it is known as Soil Health Card Portal, right? Write down about this. It has been developed. It has been developed for registration of soil samples, for registration of soil samples. and generation of soil health card and generation of soil health card, right? Along with along with fertilizer fertilizer recommendations, along with fertilizer recommendations. Okay, give a full stop, change the line and write. So these are some very important portals. Okay, there are some other important portals too, right? So write about them. Give a full stop, change the line and write. There are other portal. There are other portal such as such as give a dash, change the line and write. Give a dash, change the line and write. Crop insurance portal. Crop insurance portal, comma, PGS portal. P for parrot, G for Gandhi, S for South Africa. PGS portal, comma, Ag Market, AGMARKET, Ag Market portal, Ag Market portal have been developed to provide information to farmers. Give full stop, change the line and write. The government has also the government has also launched mobile apps like Kisan Suvidha. Don't give any space between Kisan and Suvidha. Write in a row. Kisan Suvidha. KISANSUVIDHA. Kisan Suvidha, comma, Pusa Krishi. PUSA. Pusa Krishi. KRISHI. Pusa
Sir,
Krishi.
please repeat.
PUSA. Pusa Krishi. Pusa Krishi. To help farmers, to help farmers by providing relevant information on by providing relevant information on weather, comma, input dealers, comma, market price. Very important. Market price is a very important factor that a farmer should aware with always. Okay, so market price, comma, plant protection, plant protection, comma, expert advisories, expert advisories, and the latest technologies, the latest technologies. Full stop. Okay, so these two apps, Kishan Suvidha and Pusha Krisi, they are mobile apps launched by the government. Okay, to provide relevant information regarding the market price, about the dealers, the disease and the cure related to plants, right? Expert advisory to provide farmers expert advisories and latest technologies, including weather. These all factors are very important for a farmer to to develop a good yield, right? So these two are very important apps launched by government. Change the line and write down. Under the market research and information network, under the market research and information network, underline market research and information network. Okay, so this is a scheme. This is a scheme, market research and information network. शॉर्ट में लिख लीजिए MRIN कैपिटल लेटर्स में अंडर ब्रैकेट, मार्केट रिसर्च एंड इंफॉर्मेशन नेटवर्क, MRIN. Write down scheme. It is a scheme under the market research and information network scheme, comma, market information, market information on prices, market informations on prices and arrivals, and arrivals of agricultural commodities, agricultural commodities in wholesale, in wholesale markets is provided, is provided. Okay, let's do a work. Okay, provided के बगल में ब्रैकेट में लिखिए disseminated, 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 disseminated. Okay, I want you people to use different types of vocabulary in your